Hi, hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is where you're watching this from. Okay, thank you for tuning in. And I decided to style black jeans in a few ways, inspired by some other people and all that, because fashion was invented by other people. Sometimes we copy style, sometimes we don't. This is too long for an intro. Anyway, check out the styles I did and subscribe, please. The first look gives me the summer vibes because of obviously the sandals and the chiffon. And I don't know about that pose, but to achieve this look, you'll need the black jeans, the chiffon, and some sandals. The second look is I don't know, man. It's amazing, and to achieve this look, you'll need the cover up, a bralette, and the sandals. The third look is quite simple. It's a t-shirt and some rubber shoes or sneakers, however you call them. Yeah, just vibing to the look, vibing to the whole outfit. Amazing. To achieve this look, you'll need a white shirt that has some graphic in it, the pants, and the third look is with an off-shoulder, a little bit official. To achieve this look, you'll need the off-shoulder shirt, long sleeve, short sleeve, however you want it, the bag, and some heels to give it a little touch of class. The fourth look, I presume, is of low quality. It's black on black, I suppose. You need that. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my other videos if you'd like to. And bye. I googled a few looks obviously, and if you enjoyed them or like them, you can try them out as well.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration.